Hello all, a very good morning. So let's see how the market might be for today. Let me just bring up the screen. So might be surprising with news on SGX Nifty, right? Let's just see where we are on SGX Nifty. So here it is on your screen. And currently SGX future is trading around 15,100, 1,121. Let's see where we closed yesterday on Nifty front, Nifty future front. Just see, this is Nifty future and we closed around 14,952. It's great. So that's 170 points gap up approximately. If things continue as it is right now, for the next 45 minutes, we are going to witness a massive gap up of 170 points or 150 points or so. It must be somewhere around 15,100, 15,008. Let's just see on the analysis front where we can what we can do for today. So let me just bring up that screen. We are right on 50, right? Yesterday we discussed that we are on a very extremely range bound zone uh, for 15,044 and 14,151 from quite a time now. And, we've seen that there is a massive buying as let's just clear the lines and let's wait for the market. So this was the resistance point that we have spoken for a while now. Then this is the support on the lower side that we spoke about. Right. So if we see the gap up today, we will be, and if the gap up is sustained for the next 45 minutes, we are going to witness a open around 15,100 zones. That's about the resistance, monthly resistance. Just bring up the 1 month chart also. Really see. So if you see in the last 1 month, and if the gap up sustains today, we'll be opening above the last month high. So that's sort of a negative news for bears, if I have to if I have to phrase it basically. But I guess we still have to wait and see whether this buying is going to be sustainable or not. So coming back to daily charts, yeah, for now, today's if the gap up sustains, this 15,044 level, 15,045 level would become a good support level, because this was the point where we resisted for multiple times on multiple occasions. So if you see that, let me just plot it down. So this is the area that is giving us resistance. This is one area. This was another where it took support. Then we go and up. And then this is another. And this was the last time. Then fell short here, but most of it was almost close. So this was the one of the area which was resisting multiple times, and if this is broken with significant volumes and if the buying is continuing, I guess we will witness a massive support zone at this point, and we might inch towards the all-time highs of Nifty. That's 15,430, 35 zones. This is the all-time high mark. That's on Nifty front, but if we see on a daily basis, with yesterday's low of 17,000, 14,000, pardon me, 14,720 has been a good decent support level always. We can take this point as intraday support zone for trading. I bet, as I mentioned, 15,220 is now a good resistance zone if it opens above the resistance zone on upside today. So on that note, let's just clear everything. Deleting them. Yeah. So on that note, let's just document what we have discussed for now. Right. Let's bring it over here. So, likely to run 15,045 levels. We breakout needs us about this level what face here. Next line of resistance seems to be 15,000 levels. But for intraday, 15,725 is good support, followed by an era small supports as 14,850 and 14,890 lower side. Because these are the ranges that one could watch out for today on Nifty front. But yeah, so any questions until now? That's on one part, and let's just see what's happening on Bank Nifty front also. So this was the one what we discussed yesterday. And, the resistance of 33,300, which was a multiple time resistance again, like 15,045 on Nifty part, that breached, and we've seen a significant good closing above this level. So, following Nifty's gap up, believe certainly Bank Nifty will also give a big time gap up. So let's just see what could happen, right? So that's a massive gap up. We could see around 2% in Bank Nifty also 1.5%, 2% or so that's a range. Yes, no, let's see. Yes, so 2% from yesterday's closing could actually witness buying all this. I wouldn't be surprised if we are touching this level again, 34,300 levels. But 34,000 is a psychologically resistance. I, I suppose it will be opening around that level somewhere around that level, 33,900 zones to be precise. These months, 33,900 and 33,000 zones. Not sure. So, let's be clear on that part. Let's put the zones now, right? So let's see that no significance anymore. But yeah, broad range still lies between 30,300 and 34,300. So that is one level that is to watch out. But if let's suppose we are breaking 34,300, a major resistance zone, that would again become a support zone, taking us higher towards 35,000 levels. It's 35,930 levels. So I guess these are few of the levels that to watch out. But on short note, on intraday basis, I guess let's just comment what we have done today. For intraday supports, 32,700 resistance. We don't see a point 34,000. Followed by 34,000 on upside. So support 34,000, 33,100 followed by 34,700 and resistance. These are the support levels for Nifty. So let me just show you on 5-minute chart, I guess. See a little on that part. Yeah, this is 5-minute chart. This is 5-minute chart. So intraday levels. Let me just clear the drawings. So if you see at this levels, we have seen significant supports. Tried to resist it at several points, but failed. Like we spoke, around 32,000, 33,300 was a resistance point, but that was broken yesterday. 33,000, the psychological barrier broke. Tried retrace from highs from 33,200, but that retracement failed and it gave a decent upmove even on 5-minute candles. So I guess we have good support levels right now. So that's like we discussed 32,700, 33,000. Multiple support levels that we could see now. Could add even 33,300 because the closing has been above that. But yeah, on Bank Nifty side, we have multiple support zones and multiple resistance on upside. Yes, that's a short note on Bank Nifty, but like you could also see a significant movement in Tata Motors. Just noticing this, right? Because the results are due today evening, and they are coming out with a fundraise also. I believe fundraise might be similar to Tata Power, which could be a negative trend, but we can't deny the market sentiment. So let's just see how this fills up. Let's see our daily chart now. The level. Tata Motors ADR has been doing well. S3 is up by 3%, but owing to the fall in numbers with the auto sales data, and only JLR Motors I believe has performed exceptionally well. But aside that, Tata Motor numbers on sales parts have been a little stressed on the stress side and downside. Let's see what happens. In 340 levels or 335 level is a major resistance for Tata Motors. Slightly bearish, but I'll keep you posted on this chart. So that's on Tata Motors friend. Please let me know if you have any questions. Yes, that there's nothing else. I think I'll take a break and I'll keep you posted with any updates that I find interesting during the day. Yeah. So thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a good trading day. Stay safe. Stay home.